guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing the Hourglass Seamless Finish Foundation Stick. So if you guys want to see what my thoughts are on this foundation, then please continue watching. But before I start, if you're new here, hi, my name is Joy. I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle related videos. So if you're not already subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are notified for all of my uploads. So let's go ahead and move on to my review. Alright guys, so today we are reviewing the Hourglass Vanish Seamless Finish Foundation Stick. So basically your foundation will come in its traditional hourglass packaging, which is kind of like a bronzy color, and then also has the gold font. And as we open up the box, you do get a little insert inside your package. I believe these are directions for use, but I never read it. So here is the foundation. So it is a stick style foundation, so it comes in a very sleek, tall kind of container, which I don't know if this is plastic. I'm guessing it's plastic. I don't think it's metal. But basically it's one of those foundations that you definitely twist up and twist down. And what's cool about it is it kind of it's like a triangle shape, so it just kind of twists as you're twisting the product, which is kind of cool. Okay, so you do get a 0.025 ounce of product, and I did pay $46 US for my foundation, and I did purchase it from Sephora. Okay, so what's cool about this foundation, it does come with 32 different shades, so I'm sure there's a shade for everybody. My shade in particular is golden, and it's described to be medium with golden undertones, which again is definitely my skin tone to a T. So hopefully this is the right shade. Alright guys, so right now I'm going to go ahead and read to you guys what this product is all about. I'm referencing it on the Sephora website. Okay, so what it is, it's a long wearing foundation stick with the coverage of a concealer, fluidity of a liquid, and weightlessness of a powder for invisible full coverage. Okay, so what it does, a foundation and concealer in one. This foundation's concentrated formula is infused with double the amount of pigment versus traditional foundations for instant full coverage in one application. The long-wearing waterproof formula provides 12-hour coverage, and the innovative formula adjusts to your body temperature to effortlessly blend into the skin. Oh, what's cool about this foundation too, it's formulated without parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, which I don't know if I pronounced the last one right, but that's amazing that it's without all of those bad ingredients that you don't want in your foundation. Also too, Hourglass products are 100% cruelty free, which again is super important to me. This foundation is also full coverage to medium coverage, so full medium. It's good for skin types that are sensitive, normal, dry, combination, and oily. And the finish on this foundation is more of a satin finish. Alright, so enough about what the product is all about. Let's go ahead and try on this product and see how it wears on my skin. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and move on to application. Alright, so per usual, I'm going to go ahead and use two different tools to apply the foundation. First tool is my beauty blender on one side, and the other side I'm going to use this Bobbi Brown dual-ended brush, which is the full coverage brush and then the touch-up brush on one end for concealer. And it's also good for touch-ups too, so if you have blemishes or whatnot, this brush is amazing. And per usual, before I apply the foundation, I'm going to go ahead and use my Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. This is my trusty primer that I absolutely love. Again, it's just great for prepping and priming the skin. It'll also help with the wear of your foundation. It'll prolong the wear of your makeup. It'll also help to smooth out any imperfections and helps with redness and oil control as well. So I absolutely love this primer. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and just apply the makeup, and I'm just going to take my little foundation and twist up just a little bit. And I'm basically just going to swipe the product in. Maybe like so. That glides in so smooth, you guys. I don't want to put too much, so hopefully that's not too much. So I'm going to start off with my Bobbi Brown brush. Again, it's the full coverage brush. And we're just going to blend this foundation in. Wow. Okay, so this is basically just the first layer of foundation that I applied to my skin, and so far it definitely evened out the skin, covered up some of my imperfections, but I'm gonna go back in there and just really focus on areas that I want a little bit more coverage. So like right in here, maybe like around my chin, and right out here. It glides so soft, you guys. And I find that rather than like swiping down my brush, circular motions help to blend this foundation a little bit better. I think the color is right on. Coverage on this, you guys, it did state that it was more of a medium to a full coverage buildable. So I feel like it's definitely giving off more of a medium coverage, but you can definitely build by applying more product and just really kind of building it where you need the coverage. So I would definitely say this is more medium coverage for me. Here's the difference on one side. So it did cover up the red in my skin. It did cover up like my freckling and some of the scars. For a medium coverage, I think that's pretty good. Texture wise, you guys, the texture is amazing. It's super, super smooth. It feels like butter on the skin, literally. Like there's no tugging when I was swiping it on the skin. So the texture is like amazing. As far as smells go or scents or anything like that, I don't smell anything that's standing out. It just smells like product, but it doesn't smell like chemicals. And there's no fragrance either. So that's a plus for me because I don't like either or. I don't like foundations that smell like chemicals, and I certainly don't like it when it's packed on with too much fragrance. All right, so we're gonna go in on the other side using the Beauty Blender. And as you can see, I do have an active breakout right here and then some scarring, and then some redness. So hopefully this foundation will cover all of that, or at least even out my skin. So again, I'm just kind of swiping, just a few swipes here and there. And then blending it out. Alright, so now my final thought. So 3 things that I wanted to mention to you guys on how and why I think this foundation is pretty great. So number 1 is portability. The portability of this foundation is amazing. It is a stick foundation, so you can pretty much take it anywhere. It's small, it's compact, it's not liquid, so it's pretty much travel friendly, and you can also take it with you on a day-to-day. You can keep it in your makeup bag. All right, so the second thing is versatility. This product is not only a foundation, but you can also use it as a concealer, you can use it as a highlight, and you can also use it to contour your skin, of course, per a different shade. So if you're using it as a contour, you would use the darkest color, or if you're using it as a highlight, you would use a lighter shade. So versatility on this particular product is pretty darn amazing because you can use it multiple ways. And lastly, number 3, concept. So Hourglass stands behind their 100% cruelty-free. They're also going to be 100% vegan here pretty soon, and I just love the fact that they're going that route. And of course, do I recommend this product to you guys? Of course, why not? It's a foundation stick that fits in your purse, fits in your bag, fits in your pocket. It offers pretty good coverage. I mean, it's medium coverage, but you can build on it. The color range is amazing. It glides on the skin. There's no scent, no fragrance. It's 100% cruelty-free. And what more can I say? Alright guys, so that is it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed my review and found this review helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And as always, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the little notification bell so you are notified for all of my uploads. And I guess that's it for me today, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.